You can see the zoomed picture. See, color gone, another drop, color gone, another drop, color gone. Hello students, I think you all are well. I hope you all are studying well as well, right? So today what we will be doing is a game. We will be playing a game. So before starting anything, I would like to say that I'm the senior chemistry faculty at Ray's Vector Field, a very popular institute, you all know. So keep watching, okay, till the end. Okay, do not skip any moment. Be with me and continue, okay. Yes, and the name of the game, specifically the experiment, okay, is acid base titration. In your words, very commonly it is said as neutralization reaction, okay. So for this experiment, the chemicals that I have taken, okay, you will also use in your higher classes, fine. So there I have taken in one test tube, it's water, distilled water, okay. Okay, fine. Then it is unknown sample which I have written as Y. Okay, this is your duty to find out. After this experiment, you will tell, okay, that what is X, what is Y, and another also chemical that I will be showing to you is a magic potion, a magic liquid. Okay, this is very much used in acid base reaction. Fine, let's begin. So here I have taken distilled water in this. What is the name of this equipment? Can anyone tell me? It is conical flask. Okay, and here I will show you the titration. Fine. So let us take X. Fine, colorless liquid. Okay, so let's take some drop of it. Yes, very handle carefully. Yes, fine. Let's stir it to make it little bit dilute. Next, I am taking another liquid. Okay. Yes, fine. Next, what I will be adding is this magic potion. Very little trace amount. Fine. Yes, I have added. Fine. Now, what you will be seeing is acid-base reaction. What does it mean? Acid? What? How can we explain any sample as acid? Those substances that liberate hydronium ion in aqueous solution, those species are known as, those chemicals are known as acids, right? And the opposite one, bases or alkalis, those are the chemicals that liberate hydroxyl ions in aqueous solution. Fine. Okay, so whatever chemicals I needed to add, I have done. Okay, now here will be the beginning of the drama of acid base titration. So see, I have taken few amount of Y sample, okay, and in the dropper, and I will be adding slowly drop wise in this mixture of chemicals, okay. What will be happening in the chemical reaction, I will discuss it with you in the video. So be with me, okay, and be focused. So let's begin. Okay, drop wise. See at the point of this adding, pink color has begun, okay, has come up but again vanished. Let's add one more drop. See, color came and vanished. See, again color came and vanished. You need to explain me what is this, why this color is coming and due to what reason. Fine. So let's add more few drops. See, 2 drops. See what has happened. What is this? See, pink color has arrived. What is the indication of appearance of pink color? Can anyone tell me? Before the reaction or adding of this X component, it was colorless. The mixture was colorless, but adding more of the drops of Y, see, slowly, gradually pink color has come up. Due to what reason? What is the significance of this juncture? Can anyone tell me? It means that the acid base reaction has completed, and here the salt that has, that means after this acid base reaction has completed, it has begun and it has completed also, and the salt that has formed is, can anyone tell me the salt is of which nature? Is it neutral? Is this acidic or basic? Tell me from this color change. Okay, so these are the suspenses. Another suspense, let's add X sample little bit more. Let's see what happens. In the beginning of this drama, I have already said that we will be playing a game with chemicals, right? Let's see. Let me add this chemical from its stock. Fine. Stay tuned with me. Do not go anywhere. Okay? Just be with me. Oh my God! Color gone? Why? What happened? Okay, fine. Let's add Y again. Let's see what happens. Oh, see, the color has appeared, but let's stir it up. Gone, gone, color gone. Let's see. Again appeared, and now see, for this time it is staying for more time permanently. Okay, stirring. Let's see it goes or not. But now this pink color, deep pink color, is permanent. So from this, what you can infer? This is the end of this experiment. Now we will be discussing about this chemical reaction in little bit detail. Okay, so come see the color. It's beautiful, na? See. Okay. Do you want to see the transition? Drop by drop. Let me add this little bit. Let's see what happens. Please zoom the picture. See, color gone. Please zoom the picture. Yes. And drop wise I will add. Yes, you can see the zoomed picture. See, color gone. Another drop. Color gone. Another drop. Color gone. See, it is a, students, please be focused. This is a very important juncture. See, you might not be able to see what I am able to see right now, because see, it's slightly, pink, which you cannot see in the camera. But when I'm adding just one more drop of liquid Y, see the color change, and it won't go now. Okay, this marks the point of equivalence, okay, in acid base titration. What is point of equivalence? Here the point of equivalence, it says, it signifies that a certain amount of acid has completely been neutralized by a certain amount of base. But since, see, here dark pink has appeared, it means that acid base reaction has completed, and the salt formation that has happened is of basic nature. Now let's reveal one by one each step of this acid base reaction. Okay, You are getting enjoyed, right? Be in this experiment with me. Okay, so fine. So at the beginning of this experiment, if you can recall, is that the mixture was colorless. Okay, so it means what? Or you can see all the chemicals that are there in the test tube. Okay, acid. Okay, it was, sorry, I have said it. Okay, so X was actually the acid. Fine, it is also colorless. It is also colorless. And this magic liquid, I won't tell now. Okay, it is your duty to find it out. Okay, fine, later on I will say. Okay, so X was the acid. Okay, which was colorless. Base also here, alkali is also as colorless. But when I have added acid with the magic potion, which is known as in chemical language indicator. Now I think you can get the hint. Fine, which indicator I have taken? In acid base reaction. Here Y is the alkali chemical. Okay, so specifically X I have taken as hydrochloric acid. Fine, and Y being the NOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, and when I have done the titration, that is prior to the chemical reaction, I have added water, acid, and this indicator. Okay, and when I was adding drop wise of this alkali, you were seeing that color was a slight pink color was coming, and then it was going vanishing. Why? Because the amount of H plus ion in the solution, in the mixture solution, was more than the amount of hydroxyl ion present that I was adding through this, through this mixture, I mean this component, this chemical. So as and when more and more amount of hydroxyl ion, that is more and more amount of base I was adding to this mixture, neutralization reaction was happening. But when you have seen that completely this violet color or pink color has stayed in this chemical reaction, it means what? All the H plus ions were nullified, okay, by this adding of NaOH. Fine, and more, and since more amount of NaCl, okay, and not NaCl, more amount of NaOH solution has been present here, that is more amount of hydroxyl ion is now present here. It means what? Salt has formed, but it is now basic in nature. Fine, now let's see, is it now? See, I want to tell another thing. These are the litmus paper. This is page paper. Okay, litmus paper, original one. This is red litmus paper, and this is blue litmus paper. Let's check this mixture is having which kind of acidic or basic nature. Let's see. Oh, see, no color change. It means what? That the resulting mixture is now basic in nature. Why? Because no color change has happened. But let's see with the red litmus paper. Are you getting interesting here? See, blue. Can you all see very nicely? I want to dip it much more inside the solution. Yes, see. Can you see? Or I can keep it here as well. See, red litmus paper turned to blue. It means what? This resulting solution is now basic in nature. And the salt form is also basic in nature. Understood? Whereas in the blue litmus paper, no color change. Fine? So, with this, we have concluded, we have ended this experiment. The name of the experiment is acid base titration, and the drama is not yet completed. Okay, you need to tell in your comment section what is the name of this phenolphthalein. Fine, it is your duty. So every students who are watching this video till the end, please comment in the video section, in comment section, sorry, that what is the name of this magic liquid. Okay, it's the indicator, acid base indicator. And shall I give you one more hint? The name of this indicator starts with P. Okay, P. Fine. My name is also, starts with P, Purbi De, and the name of this indicator is also starting with P. Fine. Okay. So with this, I am ending this session, the video session, and please call in this number which is given below for any more kinds of queries you have, any suggestion you want to give. Okay. So be with us. Please support this channel, and thank you for watching this video. Tata, bye bye, take care.